Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are exploring Rays Hill Tunnel, which is one of the two abandoned Turnpike tunnels on a 13-mile stretch of abandoned road out here. You might remember in one of my previous videos I explored Sidling Hill Tunnel, which was over 6,000 feet long. Today we're exploring the smaller one that's only 3,532 feet long. And just like Sidling Hill, Rays Hill was constructed in 1881 and was meant to be used as a railroad tunnel. However, it was never used as a railroad tunnel and sat around until it was updated in 1938 and then opened to turnpike traffic in 1940. As time went on, they realized it was too small for the high volume of traffic coming through. And in 1968, the turnpike was rerouted because it was cheaper than expanding the existing tunnels. And now, because of that, we have these two awesome tunnels and this long stretch of road to explore today. Two more interesting facts. The movie The Road was filmed here because of the apocalyptic feel and look of the area. And also the Bloodhound Gang filmed one of their music videos here for their song Foxtrot, Uniform, Charlie, Kilo. So I found that very interesting, and this whole area is just loaded with history. I'm so glad you guys can join me today. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and join me for future adventures. With that being said, grab your flashlights, let's go explore. Here we are, everybody. We found Rays Hill Tunnel.
By the way, if someone says free hugs, it's true.
Not a scam. I don't know if we can get in the side door.
No cap.
Will it open? Nah.
Creepy.
It's kind of cool in Sidling Hill Tunnel. You can actually get inside. Not quite.
Look at that rocks. Crazy. Oh, look at that. Did you see this?
Yeah, there's those are actually drainage tunnels. We can actually go inside some of them.
You want to go for a dip? That one's open.
Yeah, let's see what one's open. There might be another one up here.
Why is my flashlight seems super broken? That's not the view. Is this one of those telephone thing? Hey? One of the telephone things?
Yeah. So I believe those are old little ports. In case you broke down in here, you can call for help.
And just in case 153 of them were broken. To turn, let's see if they're good.
Yeah, I'm surprised because Sidling Hill Tunnel, it's actually, I think they said this one's 3,532 feet. The other one's like almost 7,000 feet. I know it's over 6,000, so like Sidling Hill really is pitch black inside.
I think that's one of those trains.
All right, guys, we made it through to the other side of the tunnel.
It's cold, so let's go.
And it looks like this little side section is open. Let's take a peek.
More importantly, where's the door? That's not good.
It's kind of weird. This is built different than the other tunnel.
I guess that was like the main. That was like the main side. Something. That was like the control side.
What's going on, guys? We made it to the other side of Rays Hill Tunnel. Sorry. We got to the top. Unfortunately, there's no signs of the upper level that was used for exhaust, the exhaust tunnel or turbines or anything. This one's definitely built a little different than Sidling Hill. Get kind of a nice view up here, though. And it is a bit of a steep climb getting up here. Here's the top side of the entrance closest to the parking area. We walked all the way through the bottom level, didn't see a whole lot. I'm trying to see if there's a way to get into this top area, at least for this tunnel, and check it out. Let's see what we can get into here. That may be an entrance. This may also be an entrance. Ah, no more ladder. Don't know if the camera is doing us any justice, but this is tall. It's like 15 feet up there. I'll wait up for my sidekick. See if we can't get a good look inside. We'll be fine.
Are you sure we can get that in?
Yep. Just gotta squeeze through this super tiny door.
Not a super tiny door. That's how it's designed.
Yep, here we go, man. Woo, the inside of this thing is huge. Yeah, man, in a minute, I'm gonna try and get inside one of these turbines.
What, to get inside one?
Yeah.
Isn't that like cancerous, probably? Oh, that is terrifying.
No, it's just old metal as far as I know.
Wait, this is insane. Why do I'm coming here just for this.
Hey, that ladder goes somewhere too.
Oh, that's a little bit. Yeah, we'll check it out. Hey, the doors to my house is more creepy than this. This is over here. You still get it? This tree just been cool.
Oops.
What if they just restarted all of a sudden? Under that same brand. It's nice knowing you.
Yeah. Stay down here for this part, buddy.
Yeah, maybe I'll just video it though. How is this?
It's a pretty bad camera angle, but I am on a ladder.
Hey, there's a wall outlet. Just in case.
This upper level's really worn out, man.
Really?
Yeah. It's all rotted.
Yeah, let's not go up there.
Never mind. Here we are in the upper tunnel. This one was used to cut out exhaust. As we get closer to the center, the tunnel keeps getting smaller.
So at the end, we may be wrong. Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
Flying to our eyes.
you'll be fine. Just stay on this side. Y'all can see we got a bat over there.
See if it's right.
Yeah, just stick to the center, buddy. No. Just be careful though.
I can still send you straight that way.
Same.
I guess we were both made to be underground.
It is a good advantage of being short.
I can't imagine my dad in this place. He would literally be conforming. Like this.
Wouldn't be comfortable. Stay away from that left side. That concrete looks,
Really shabby.
yeah, I saw cracks in it.
Ooh, that's scary. I don't know if it's sad or a good thing, but I can still stand up perfectly straight. Do you think at the end of the tunnel there's gonna be like bats?
Nah.